Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make scrambled eggs with tomatoes. This classic breakfast dish is simple yet incredibly satisfying, perfect for any morning. We will combine 3 large, fresh eggs with 1 small, ripe tomato, along with a tablespoon of rich butter and a pinch of salt and pepper. Get ready to elevate your breakfast game with this delightful and easy-to-follow recipe. Before we start cooking, proper preparation is key for a fantastic outcome. First, crack your 3 large eggs into a medium-sized bowl. Whisk them with a fork or whisk for about 30 seconds, incorporating air until they are light and slightly frothy. Next, take your 1 small, ripe tomato and dice it into uniform quarter-inch pieces. This ensures the tomatoes cook evenly and blend beautifully with the eggs. Now for the exciting part, cooking. Place a non-stick pan over medium-low heat and add 1 tablespoon of butter. Let it melt until it shimmers, indicating it's ready. Pour in your whisked eggs and immediately sprinkle the diced tomatoes evenly over the surface. Allow the eggs to set for about 30 seconds without stirring. Then, using a spatula, gently push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center, letting the uncooked egg flow underneath. The final steps ensure your scrambled eggs are perfect. Continue gently folding the eggs until they are mostly set, but still appear slightly moist and creamy. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes total. Remove the pan from the heat to prevent overcooking. Season generously with about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of freshly ground black pepper. Serve your delightful scrambled eggs with tomatoes immediately, perhaps alongside some warm toast or a fresh green salad. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.